this is Mark Pillar. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the power of codeless programming in Backendless in integration with Amazon Echo. If you're not familiar with Echo, it is a device that looks like this. This is the smaller version called Echo Dot. There are other devices in the family of Echo. The device is connected to the internet and is powered by a service called Alexa. You can ask it any question. You can play trivia with it. It can play music for you. Can read books, learn languages, you name it. There is a variety of things that it can do. For example, Alexa, how many people live in the United States?
The population of the United States is about 324 million.
All right. Or Alexa, who is the governor of Texas?
Texas political leader is Greg Abbott.
Perfect. The things that Alexa can do are called skills. And it is possible to implement your own custom skills, which means that you can come up with a list of phrases that a user would ask and implement your own logic on the server that would handle those requests. And combined, that creates a skill. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to create custom skills without writing any code. That's right, you will be able to create custom skills for Alexa, for your business purposes, for household applications, you name it, it doesn't really matter, using codeless technologies, which means that you can actually create completely custom service APIs that will be done in codeless and connected to Alexa. I think this is huge. To demonstrate this, I'm going to switch to my computer, and right here on my screen you see just a placeholder for an API service. It's called demo service, and right now it doesn't do anything. This is what you get when you create a new API service. So to create some logic, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this block called send Alexa response to the return value, and then we will attach a text block that will say, let's say, hello, today is a great day. And let's deploy it. All right. So now the service, without any code, we have configured it to send a static response in response to a phrase that a user will say. So let's see how it works in action. Alexa, ask my demo app how it is going.
Hello, today is a great day.
There you go. And as basic as it is, this is super powerful because we created a custom Alexa skill, and granted it doesn't do a whole lot, but still we created a custom Alexa skill without writing a single line of code. Everything that we have done is completely visual. So here, if I were to change the string to something else, for example, if we say hi there from a codeless service, and deploy it again, then now when we ask Alexa a question to invoke this particular custom skill, this is the response that we're going to get. So let's take a look. Alexa, ask my demo app to say something.
Hi there from a codeless service.
Perfect. And this is very basic. Now, I also created another example that demonstrates something a little bit more complex. I'm going to switch to that service, and you can see it on the screen. There's a lot more going on right here, but still, this is still rather basic in terms of the functionality that it can do, but it is already quite powerful. And what this particular skill does is I can ask my application through Alexa to give me the size of a data table in my Backendless storage. So since the codeless service is running in Backendless, it has access to everything in that application. So you can query data, you can find out something about the information, you can get information about the users, whatever you would like it to be. Once again, this is only a demo. The codeless service that you would implement for your custom Alexa skill can do anything you want. It doesn't have to be something Backendless related. So for this, it's really just a demo that I came up with to demonstrate what it can do. So to see how this particular service works, I'm going to ask the following question. Alexa, Ask Backendless how many objects are in the users table.
4.
There you go, so 4. And in fact, if you take a look at the logic right here with all the things that are going on, the core of that logic is going to be right this block, get object count. And the block gets the name of the table that the user has set and then makes an API call into Backendless to get the number of objects. In fact, if I go to my data screen and take a look at the users, exactly there are 4 users. So if I were to register a new user, let's say it's going to be Dave at backendless.com. So now there are 5 users. Let's ask the same question and see what the response is going to be. Alexa, ask Backendless how many objects are in the users table.
5.
5. There you go, and that is exactly correct. In fact, I can ask the same question with a few other variations, because I have programmed different types of phrases, about any other table in Backendless. So for instance, you see that there is a person table. So let's ask that the same question about the person table. Alexa, ask Backendless what is the size of the person table.
8.
8, exactly right. So there are 8 objects in the person table. Now, to see how easy it is to customize your logic and create something more custom on the fly without any coding, let's do this. Switch to our codeless function right here, and rather than saying 8, how about we change it to say there are 8 objects, or there are how many objects are in the table. And to make this change, what we're going to do is we're going to go to text and use this block create text with, drag this guy right here. All right, and we will just compose that response. We will say here there are, then there will be this number that we get from the API, and let's add one more block to the response. We'll say objects in the table. Deploy it, and let's try asking the same question again. Alexa, ask Backendless how many objects are in the users table.
There are 5 objects in the table.
There you go. So as you can see, without any code, strictly using the codeless technology in Backendless, we were able to modify the behavior of our Alexa skill. And this is only a demo, and of course we will publish information on our blog to replicate all this and create some other custom skills in Alexa. But the point of this is that the codeless technology is so universally applicable that you can do many different things. You can create your API services. In this case, we created custom Alexa skills, and once again, it opens up the possibilities for a lot of people. You don't have to know a programming language to create something like this. As long as you can think about the problem algorithmically and can describe logic through using Blockly, which is the technology we adopted for codeless, you will be able to do all these things. Super exciting times where this is absolutely awesome, and I'm really happy to share this with you, and hopefully this interested you enough to give it a try, and hopefully we will see many more things coming out of Backendless with codeless. Thank you for watching this video. Please share what you think about it with us. You can get in touch with Backendless team through Slack. We are at slack.backendless.com, or our support forum, which is support.backendless.com. Thank you, and as always, happy codeless coding.